Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm very excited to be back on this channel. Today is Dropmas number 3, so I'm going to explain just after what it is, of course. We are going to unbox here luxury items together as every day. And I will make you like the usual Sunday video where I'm going to talk about the least expensive bags at Dior in 2023. So let's go. We are going to start by the unboxing. And then after, I will explain what it is, why I'm doing this, and who am I, and everything. So let's go for the unboxing. Ta-da! So excited! So we have a Louis Vuitton item, luxury accessories from Louis Vuitton. We have a box. We are going to continue to open it. So we have like little papers inside. And then we have the dust bag for this one. And let's see what's inside. Yes, perfect. We have a Louis Vuitton zippy small wallet. This is monogram canvas on the outside. Very good condition for this one. The outside looks amazing. Like the canvas is very good. Corners are quite good also. Of course, this one will be available on the website as soon as you see this video. I will put in the description of this video the link of the item if you want to buy it directly on our website. But oh, look how much is beautiful. Like, this is insane. So what I need to say is, yeah, the hardware starts to tarnish a little bit. Of course, we have, this is not brand new, but otherwise it's perfect. The zipper works amazing. And the inside, as you see, has many pockets. You do not have a coin pocket here, coin section, but it's only for cards, for papers, but it's amazing. Like the condition on the inside is as new. I am really impressed because this is lovely. And the price also is quite amazing. This is 260 euro. I will, of course, add on the screen the USD price and the UK price for you guys. But I'm so freaking excited on this actually happening. So if you're new here on my YouTube channel, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags, as you can see, of course. But also if you saw my previous video where I show you my entire handbags collection, I do videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. And I also have my own company called bamluxurystore.com with my partner in life. We have this website together where we source you amazing luxury bags and accessories online. It's mostly secondhand, but it can also be sometimes brand new. We do a bag drop day every Wednesday at a certain hour, and we release new items only the Wednesdays. So I hope you enjoy this kind of functionment. So I do a YouTube video every Wednesday as well for the backdrop day. And the other video is on Sunday. I speak mostly about unboxing, new collection, bags the least expensive at the brands. And well, I try to speak about different things like outfit ideas and everything. So why I'm saying all of this? Because we do also a Dropmas. So I think you already saw like what Vlogmas is. So if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's when YouTubers doing like video every single day, vlogging their life every single day. I was not able to do this because it's so intense and that I have my own company, so it's complicated to deal with everything, especially that Christmas is the most important part for us. I was thinking about doing Dropmas, so I will definitely, like from the 1st of December till the 24th of December, release one item per day. So it's a Dropmas. So I will drop one luxury items per day on the website and on YouTube. And you will see the video later on Instagram and TikTok. But I will drop and make an unboxing every single day from the 1st December till 24th. Every single day you have one drop. You will still have the normal drop on Wednesday, of course. But yeah, I hope you will enjoy this. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter on the website to not miss this drop. But usually you receive first the email on the Wednesday and then the YouTube video. But for the Dropmas, we will do first the YouTube video here and then you will receive the email. So this way on YouTube you have like the priority kind of. I hope you will enjoy. But yeah, this is the third item I released for the Dropmas, so enjoy. And I hope it will be sold. I don't know. But if you see this video and you like Dropmas, please let me know in the comments, and maybe next year we can do this again. Of course, this is not over yet, it's only the beginning. Let's go to the normal video now, where I'm going to talk about the least expensive bags at Dior in 2023. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first handbag I want to mention. It's the CD Lounge bag from Dior. I don't know, I'm gonna put the photo just here. I think I like this bag kind of. I'm not sure I would buy it definitely, but I kind of like the shape of the bag. This is a very trendy bag right now with the croissant shape. I truly believe this might be like a very nice bag. Then this is the least expensive bag. The price for this one is 2,800 USD. So it's kind of good actually, I'll have to say. And especially that I am not mentioning in this video all the wallet on chains, little pouch and everything that can be a purse and a bag. Here it's only the bags. Then I'm going to another bag that the name is Dior, and this is a raffia material bag. The price for this bag is 3,200 USD. I truly believe this is a very, very cute bag. I definitely love this one. I'm not such a fan of raffia, but I think in my selection just later you have one in full leather. Stay until the end of the video if you want to check what are the least expensive bags at Dior. Stay until the end of this video. Another one now is the Dior Club at 3,200 USD also. I am definitely not a fan of this one. I don't know, like the shape is too too long and too small. I don't know, I do not really like this one. I would like to know what are your thoughts on the first few bags that I just mentioned. Do you have them in your own collection? Do you wear them every single day? Do you still like them? When did you buy them? Let me know. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on these bags. But yeah, I think like the shape of the bag is bothering me a lot. Even though it could be like a very comfy bag because it looks to be not too shaped. It looks very flexible, so it's always like very comfy under the arm. But yeah, this is definitely not a bag that I love about this. This is definitely not a bag that I would buy, but the price is quite good actually on this one. Then we are going to talk about the DIORTRAVEL backpack. Of course, I had to mention it. The price is 3,250 USD. This is such a nice bag. I would definitely not buy one because I do not like too much backpack for my personal use. But I know lots of people does, and I know it's a very good investment. You have like the travel backpack at Dior. You also have like the backpack at Louis Vuitton with different like shapes and different size. But the one at Dior has a very, it's in fabric. It's not leather, it's fabric. But the fabric at Dior is just insane. I used to have like a book tote from Dior. I miss this bag. I truly believe I'm gonna buy another one. Maybe not this year, but maybe next year. But I know one day I'll buy one again. I had to sell it because another bag was coming into my collection, and I had to sell it for buying the new one. So no, I miss this bag actually. I like kind of regret to have sold this bag because the fabric was in such a good quality and I used it quite a lot. Speaking about the Dior book tote, we are going to announce this one and the small version at 3,250 USD. So you either have like the backpack, travel backpack, or the Dior book tote. I really love the Dior book tote. I would rather go to the Dior book tote than the backpack because this is my personal use. You know, I'm more a tote person than a backpack person. I don't know if that has a sense or not, but it depends on what you use, what you're used to like wearing as a bag. But I really love tote, and the small one is just insane. I think like I used to have the large one. I think I would go either for the small or the medium. Now going to the large one, the price is 3,300 USD. There is a very slight difference of price. It's very, very little. So depending on what you're used to, back then I decided to purchase the large one because the price difference was also super small. So I decided to go for the larger. But right now with my everyday use, I would rather go to the medium one or the small one because it's less heavy, you know, because the bag is kind of heavy. Then we are going to mention the small Dior Bobby bag. And the price is 3,500 USD. I'm quite shocked. The price is not that expensive. It's a full leather bag. Comparing to the Dior book tote in fabric, the price is not that bad actually. And I'm not a huge fan of this bag, the Bobby one. I find it very cute, but I would rather go to a Lady Dior. This is a completely different type of price and price range, of course, I know. But I would rather wait a little bit and have more money and spend it on a Lady Dior or even a Lady Dior like vintage or secondhand. Because I don't know if you know, but my name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags. I do YouTube videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. and I've created with my partner my own website where I sell you luxury handbags, mostly secondhand, bamluxurystore.com. The next one would be the 30 Montaigne East-West version with the chain bag. The price is 3,500 USD. So I kind of like this bag originally. The East-West version, I'm not a fan, but I love the Dior 30 Montaigne. This is a classic for a bag. It's in fabric. You also have them like in full leather with different colors. You have plenty of them. I'm such a huge fan. It's a very classic, kind of classic box, you know. It's kind of a Celine Triomphe bag. It's kind of like Chanel. It's a very classic one and always the same type of bag. And this is the bags I love the most. I have to admit, very practical, super useful for an everyday use. Also, for a price of 3,500 USD, we have a small Dior TOUJOURS. The Dior TOUJOURS is a new tote. I am in love with this handbag. The price difference with the Dior book tote is so small that I would really advise you to go for the TOUJOURS tote, just because it's a new tote. Like, so right now it's very trendy. It's very complicated to have, but depending on the size. But this is a complete, fully leather handbag. Plus, you have an inside pocket that we don't have in the book tote. Plus, you can change the size of the strap of the top handle. So this is actually a good one. You can close the bag because you have like a way to close it. And you can a bit like change the shape of the bag. This bag is, again, like I truly believe it's going to be like the it bag of 2024. You need to get one in your own collection. And if I had to take another bag at Dior, like to replace the book tote, it would either be like the book tote in small, medium, or this TOUJOURS bag because it's such a nice bag. You have it in white, black, and beige, I believe, and brown. Yeah, I think you have 3 or 4 colors, 3 different sizes. It's amazing. This one is amazing. Then going for another bag, and this is the 30 Montaigne bag. This is a classic one for 3,600 USD. Also like a very slight difference with the East-West version. I would rather go for this one than the East-West version, depending on what you prefer. Of course, like taste is very different for everyone. So yeah, personally, at least I would go for this one, especially with the slight price difference. And this is a classic. So if you want one day to resell it, it will be much easier. Then we are going to mention a bag that we never see. This is a small Boston bag. This is kind of a new one, a new shape. Wow, this is a vintage. But the price for this one is 3,700 USD. This is half a fabric bag, half leather. And this one has a vintage look. This is what I love about it. Every maison right now is relaunching kind of over bags, like previous bag, old bags, vintage look bags. I don't know if you saw also at Celine, they are doing the same. Louis Vuitton, they are going to release like old bags also. For example, the croissant, they are releasing it again. So this means this is a trendy shape. Anyway, the Boston bag looks very cute. I'm so in love with this one. It's very different and it's a no scene. Like no one has this kind of bag right now. So this is what I love. I'm going to talk now about a bag that I hate. I truly hate this bag. This is a small DIORCAMP bag. The bag is worth 3,800 USD. I truly hate this bag. This bag reminds me of a bag that I used to have in college. Well, high school for you guys in the US. This was so trendy back then. It was like kind of a military bag, like with the military fabric. I used to hate this bag so much right now when I think about it. And this bag looks so much alike. For me, it's a military bag. I hate it. I hate it so much. What do you think about this bag, guys? Would you like buy it? I never saw it for real, never. So let me know in the comment what are your thoughts about this one. I don't know, this is weird. Then now we're gonna talk about that I like. This is a small CARO bag. The price is 3,800 USD. I would rather go buy this one than the bootcamp one. Oh, like no way. Okay, so this one is a Dior CARO. This is also kind of a classic now at the Maison. They have in multiple size. This one is a small, but it exists in micro also. I did not mention micro bags in this selection because these are not like useful bags, like not an everyday bags. For most of the people. I know for some people, yes, but here now. So this one is kind of cute. You have it in leather, you have it in fabric, in jean, in raffia. It exists in so many different shapes. You also have like very special limited edition. I think it's a nice addition. This is a good investment also. And this is a bag that we don't see as much as a Lady Dior or Book Tote, for example. And then the last bag that we do not have in France, guys. We do not have this bag on the French website. It's only like, it looks like it's only a US bag. This is the Dream bag at Dior. This is kind of a bag pochette, a pouch. It's very cute, but it looks like vintage also. I'm not a fan, and for the price, 3,800 USD, I would rather go to something else personally. But it still exists, and it's not on the French website. So it might be, I don't know, like, I still do not find it on the French like website. So it's maybe like a good thing for you guys in the US. I don't know, but we have some bags in the European website that you do not have on the US version, and vice versa. So this is kind of weird. But yeah, this was the entire selection of the least expensive bags at Dior. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will put you here or here another video that you need to watch. Stay here on my channel. If you did not subscribe, well, consider subscribing to my channel. Here it's only like a good vibe. I hope you like the Dropmas, and of course, I will see you tomorrow. Bisous, bye!